it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Yes, you'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart always. Why can't they understand the way we feel?
Hello! Happy birthday sa aking pinakamamahal na asawa. I love you. Sana'y humaba pa ng matagal ang iyong arawan. Basta ingatan mo lang ang iyong sarili. Huwag ka sana huwag nang atakihin pagkagabi. Pati ako'y nagugulat sa iyo. At sana maging lagi kang malakas, healthy ang pangatawan, at natutuwa nga ako dahil nakakalakad ka na ng malayo-layo, hindi ka na inaatake ng iyong gout. Kaya laking pasasalamat na natin sa Panginoon Diyos na ikaw ay malusog. At itong ating pamilya, okay naman, wala tayong problema sa kanila, mababait, mga mapagmahal. Kaya sila hanggang ngayon nandito pa sila sa atin. Okay. Basta ingatan mo lang ang sarili mo at mahal na mahal ka namin lahat. Okay? Happy birthday. And I love you. Okay.
Hello! Hello, Nanay!
Hi, Nanay!
Hi, Nanay!
Happy birthday, Nanay! May your birthday be filled with joy, laughter, and endless of love. Happiest birthday, Nanay! We love you!
We love you, Nanay! Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Hi, Nanay. Happy 70th birthday. Sana po ay maging masaya ka. For sure, masaya ka sa birthday niyo po. Wala man kami dyan ni Kuya Joel, ni Ate Iseng, ni Joy Joy, ni Rap at ni Bob. Isipin niyo lang po nandiyan kami. Mag-video call para kasama kami sa celebration. Lagi niyo po nagtatandaan, Nanay, na sobrang mahal na mahal po kita. Lahat ng sakripisyo na ginagawa po namin is para sa iyo. Sobrang thankful kami dahil po sa mga sakripisyo niyo rin na ginawa sa amin. We love you so much, Nay. At wish ko lang is good health and long life para sa iyo. Sobrang thank you sa lahat. I love you so much, Nanay. Hindi ko nahabaan to. I'll see you soon celebrate Christmas and New Year dyan sa Pinas. We're so excited, me and Kuya Joel. I love you, Nay, and enjoy. God bless. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
I love you!
Happy birthday, Nana! Cheers! We love you! Love you! Okay na.
Okay, sige.
Nay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Wish you good health always, long life, more birthdays. Nay, thank you sa pagmamahal mo sa akin, kay Rap, at sa buong pamilya ko. Thank you sa pagtanggap niyo sa amin. I love you so much. Ingatan mo po ang puso mo. Happy birthday po ulit. God bless. Love you, love you.
Okay. Nanay, happy birthday! Wishing you all the best and many more birthdays to come. See you soon. Love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Wish you a good health and long life. We love you!
Nanay! Nanay!
I love you!
I love you, Nanay!
Say,
Happy birthday, Lola Bebe! Sana po humaba pa ang buhay mo. Sana lagi kang malakas at sana wag magkakasakit para laging nakakagala-gala pa. Bye-bye!
arf, 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 arf.
Hello, babes! Happy birthday! Wish you good health. Mahabang buhay pa para lagi tayong magkakasama. And God bless you!
Happy birthday, Nanay! God bless mo. Salamat.
Sabi, ako'y bumabati sa iyo ng happy birthday. At ang wish ko sana sa iyo ay patuloy kang malusog at malakas. At nawa ay patuloy yung kalakasan. At ako rin ay nagpapasalamat sa Diyos dahil solid pa rin tayong magkakapatid na 10. Kaya ako ay nagpapasalamat sa Diyos dahil ikaw ay malakas pa. Kaya buo namin pamilya, kami ay bumabati sa iyo ng
Happy birthday, Tita Bebe!
Hello, Tita Bebe. Happy birthday. Praying for good health and more blessings to come. Enjoy your day. Ingat po palagi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nay. Take care kayo dyan ni Tatay. Love you.
Hello, Nanay. Happy birthday po sa inyo. More blessing and healthy, good health po sa inyo. Ingat-ingat po kayo palagi. Love you, Nanay.
hello, Nay! Happy birthday po! We love you!
Hello, Nay! Happy birthday! Wish namin sa'yo is mas mahaba pang buhay at saka mas maging healthy ka. See you soon, Nay!
Always be pretty! Love you!
Birthday, Tita! Ayan, wish namin sa'yo lagi na yung pagpalain ng naging buhay mo, mas lalo ka pang maging malakas, mas lalo ka pa laging maging masaya. Saka nito lang po kami lagi para sa'yo. Mahal ka po namin. I love you!
Hello! Hello, Kabel! Happy birthday! God bless! Ang wish ko kay Lord, patuloy na bigyan ka ng kalakasan, mahabang buhay na kasiya-siya. Bye-bye! God bless!
Happy birthday, Kabel! More blessing! God bless you!
More fullness of life and blessing. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
We love you so much.
We love you so much.
Kiss, kiss.
Kiss, kiss.
Mwah.
Mwah. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Everybody, happy birthday to you.
you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Birthday mo raw. Greetings. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha?
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po! God bless you, may you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan ang inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lani Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday!
Lisa, happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you. Happy birthday. Your life and be happy always.